What's up, everybody? We're out here at MMX Main Track in Marysville for Fall Series round number 5, the final round. You guys awake? You ready? We just got done with practice. Cameron's racing 65 age group and 65 open, and Corbin's on 65 beginner and 65 age. No 85. Cameron still isn't confident and riding the 85 well enough to put him on a track. So even though he did race the 85 last weekend at Little Oakley, but
no, I've also already raced it on a track, a big track.
So he didn't really practice on it yesterday because he kept making excuses.
No, I didn't.
What about you, Logan? Logan's out there racing 85 age group and, or yeah, an open, right? Yep, and then Corbin, you awake?
Open's race 6.
Oh, they got race schedule? We got race schedule. We're gonna go get race schedule. What are you doing, girl? You gonna run today?
Yeah.
What are you rating?
Electric bike.
Electric bike? Yeah, you gonna go get first? All right. Go get first place. You're gonna do good. High five. With the whole shot, huh? Yeah, whole shot. Corbin, good start. I know, it's so. Well, that's a wrap on the fall series. We're back. We didn't get a chance to do our closing at the track, so getting ready to get this all edited and out to you guys, our fans on YouTube. So we want to just say thanks for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying this journey with our kids racing moto. But they had a great weekend. I got the stats here, what they did. So we finished up the fall series. Fall series had 5 rounds. And Cameron today got a second in his age group, so he's racing 10 to 11, and then he got a third in the open class. and he ended up with a second overall for the series in his age group, and then a 5th overall for open class. He didn't race all of the rounds of the open class because we had him running the 85 a little bit, but he's still not quite there on the 85 where I feel comfortable putting him on the track, especially these faster tracks like that. Last weekend he did race Little Okie. It's a smaller track, not as fast, not as big. And then little Corbin, man, he is just killing it on that 65. This is his first series. He's raced now 5 races on that, and he's progressing so fast. He went down in the first moto right off the start. Just kind of, he popped it into 3rd and looped it, and the bike was on top of him. I ran out, helped him get on it, and he got back going. He ended up passing 6 kids and catching up, so he did great, passing people and fighting and charging. And then in the second moto, he went out and got 5th. So I think he ended up with like a 9th for the day in that. Let's see, I've got it here. It's hard to keep track. So he went 7th overall in 65 beginner. And I don't know, I can't remember what he got in. I think he got 9th overall in open. And then for overall in the series, that was for the day. For overall in the series, he got 2nd overall in beginner 65. So stoked. They came out with some hardware, some swag. It was a great series. Thanks to our promoters, for, you know, and our track owners and all that for putting this on. We appreciate all your guys' hard work. Next up, we got Triple Crown coming up in a couple weeks back at Argyle. And then we're thinking about maybe hitting Thanksgiving MX or AZ Open, some of the bigger races, the more kind of national level races, and get some experience there. But we're just not sure yet. But thanks for watching, guys. Hit like, hit subscribe. See you at the next one.